Happy morning, dear children. Welcome back to your grammar class. Dear children, in the previous classes, we completed the meaning, definition and rules of sentences. I hope you all are clear with it. Dear children, what is a sentence? It is a group of words that makes a complete sense, and it has 10 basic rules to follow in the formation of sentences. In today's class, that is our chapter 1 sentence part 4, we will be learning about the features, and we also will practice an exercise related to the features and the rules we will learn. So, features of sentence. What a sentence should have that makes a complete sense, and it makes it a simple and a systematic order of words. So, rule number 1, that means the feature number 1. A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. It should provide the required information. It should convey what it is formed for. Number 2, it starts with a capital letter. A sentence must always start with a capital letter. So, no small alphabets allowed in the beginning of the sentence. It ends with a full stop if it is conveying a fact. अगर वो कुछ fact convey करना चाहता है, so it will always be ended with a full stop. And if it is conveying a question, if it is asking a question, then it will always end with a question mark. And if it is conveying a sudden feeling of joy, sorrow, cheerfulness, happiness, anger, it will always end with an exclamation mark. So, our expressions in the sentence will be conveyed with an exclamation mark. Our question sentences will always end with a question mark. And the facts we say or we complete or we tell to someone or someone is telling us, it will always end with a full stop. So, these are the basic features of sentence. Now, let us do our practice exercise. Question A. In your textbook, on the very next page, we have rearrange the following words to form meaningful sentences. The words, the group of words in the sentence will be jumbled in your textbook. You need to rearrange it to make it a complete sense. Use capital letters, full stops, question marks and exclamation marks as required. You need to rearrange the words according to the systematic order, and you also will use these following features to make the sentence sensible and meaningful. Let us see. Number 1. Burger was Jane's yesterday house. And over here, the hint is given that we need to start the sentence with Jane's. So, Jane's house was burgled yesterday. You will write it in a systematic order. For your convenience, the hints are already given in your textbook. Next, leaving tomorrow, James and Henry will be London for. Leaving tomorrow, James and Henry will London for. the group of words is not making a complete sense. We need to rearrange it, and over here for our convenience, we have to start the sentence with James. So, James and Henry will be leaving for London tomorrow. James and Henry will be leaving for London tomorrow. Is it clear? Third, you who are. You who are. We need to start the sentence with who. So, it will form as who are you? Who are you? Is it clear? So, we arranged these sentences in a systematic order and it is making a complete sense, right? And the next rule we need to follow is that the sentence must always begin with a capital alphabet. So, over here in the first sentence, the J of James must be capital, and as it is conveying a fact, you will end the sentence with a full stop. Number 2, we have to start the sentence with James. So, the J of James must be capital and Henry will always be capital as well, because the name of a person, place, animal or thing will always be capital in the sentence formation. So, Henry and James will be leaving for London tomorrow, full stop, as it is giving us an information. Third, you who are, and we rearranged the sentence and it was formed as who are you? It is asking a question. So, we will end this particular sentence with a question mark. Who are you? Question mark. So, I hope you all are clear till here. Your W must be capital. Is it clear? I hope you all are very clear with the features of sentence and the exercise A. Now, what do you need to do? Your homework is open up your textbook, page number 6. We have solved the first 3 sentences in this video lesson. The remaining 3 you will be trying by your own. And if you have any doubt, you are free to contact me. I'll be there for you to solve all your queries and doubts. So, you will be doing exercise A. Rearrange the following words to form a meaningful sentence. Use capital letters, full stop, question marks and exclamation marks to form a sensible sentence. 1, 2, 3 is done by both of us and the remaining ones you will be practicing by your own. As in, when you are done with this, do send me a photo shot so that we can see whether we have learned it properly or not. We will meet next time with the types of sentences. Till then, go through your textbook, practice well. God bless you all.